Yabo, yabo, impilo emnandi, izulu eluhlaza, izinyawo zikhululekile, amathunzi ezihlahla, amanzi ahlanzekile.
Thokozani. By donation, Nhlani Shabamo, also known as Umakhosi Shabamo. And yeah, I'd like to share my experience ngomdawu ukuthi where does it originate, or where does umdawu wami originate, how do I then relate now and whatnot. So in terms of my findings ngomdawu, ngasho ukuthi kwaba into ukuthi okay mawuzofika kumina fika ngephupho being handed over isikhwama, you know, and upon being handed over leso sikhwama leso, it was a matter of ukuthi bekumele ngiyosilanda lapho bekuhleli khona i-crocodile. So eventually I went there, ngasithola ke leso sikhwama leso. When I looked inside, it had plastics and container imithi and whatnot. But by then I didn't understand ukuthi okay kwenzakalani, you know, even with nama beats wakhona mostly related to umdawu abizwa ngentotofiyane. So I got ilaphu eliwhite and the beats ngazibeka nje for the longest of time, you know, lokele ngiziphahlela and whatnot. And then years went by, galungisa ke umdawu wami. Nakhona upon ukulungisa ngolungisa sezingikhalela, you know, whenever ngizongena maybe in a swimming pool or indawo nje enamanzi nje bozovele nje uvela umdawu ngibe nje nama episodes amaningi, you know. So kwaya galungisa ke kumdawu. I did the processes akhona ke zokuphakamisa and ukuparula. Just after then ke baqala ke baveza no kahle umdawu lo enginawo, you know, it's from Mars kahle masambe silandela, you know, and it's not singathi idlozi or spirit that is linked to my family. It's more of a foreign spirit, you know, hence even with the language it speaks in khuluma language esingayi understand thina as Africans or abeZulu, I'd say, you know. So khuluma isindawo sayo in whichever way, but nakhona upon wona mawukhuluma it's easy for me ukuthi ngi-understand, you know, because idlozi eligimi. So in as much as likhuluma a foreign language, but I'm able to pick up ukuthi lithini noma I am able to translate ukuthi okay shuthi usho kanje nakanje in as much as nanoma uqubile a part of me, I'd say, dies for that particular moment. So that tiny portion, you know, ezokwazi ke ukumamelela mhlawumbe ukuthi I know kanje nakanje upon ke ukuhlehla ke that's when ke maybe bits and pieces izokuya ukuthi no vele into kanje nakanje, you know. And ezinye zezinto that I've also learned about umdawu is that sebenza kakhulu ngemithi, you know, and nangamanzi futhi imithi yasemanzini kahle, you know. And with amabhayi wakhona abo nje tipalu and all these other bhayis, because umdawu unamabhayi amaningi, you know. Then futhi with amagona in the mix or in the picture, you know, whereby you can only get it maso uthwasele umdawu fully, you know. And in terms of ukuthwasela, it also differs according to idlozi lomuntu elimphethe. Kwabanye some may need to stay ephehlweni bathwasele umdawu wona wodwa ababheka wona wodwa, of which babanye it may take months and years. For some it may take, let's say, approximately 3 months, you know. And upon your initiation journey, there are things that you learn. First things first, when it comes to umdawu, activate idlozi lakho lomdawu so then it can come forth lisho igama, and maybe it's assignment also empilweni yakho, you know. And nase sigodlweni mhlawumbe lesibafuna ukuthi usiphakamise. And in most cases it's not just only one spirit or one ancestor. Sometimes it can be 3 or 4 spirits that come forth, but kuba khona lo esingathi mhlambe uphatha umsebenzi noma uyophethe isikhwama, and these other ones are supporting spirits, you know. So it becomes that case up until you reach a stage whereby then now suzodlala intwaso yakho kuyomndawo, paroliswe-ke umndawo wakho kuphelele, ube nomuntu wakho ke ubeke negona lakho ke elikhandwayo. Upon ulikhanda, there are certain herbs ezifakwayo lapho that align with ledlozi elikuphethe, of which uzobe utshelwe abantu abakuphethe noma idlozi lakho lizobe litshela mhlambe whoever uzobe kusiza, whether it be a mentor or a spiritual teacher, ukuthi no, there's 1 2 3 and 4 ekumele zenziwe noma sifakwe kulelo kona nanokuthi li-activate kanjani. And it's very much essential or important to have ikona lomndawo maso uthwasele umndawo, because nalo it helps ukuphakamisa umsebenzi wakho noma nanomsamo wakho, in as much as whenever you are facing spiritual wars, it can also help you to fight those. There are certain rituals that you can administer with it, you know. And upon having umndawo futhi, it's also very much important ukuthi uzube nonyankwabe. So unyankwabe umuntu okusiza umsizi wakho ngesikhwama sakho, you know. So, and also in most cases ngaba umuntu esingathi ukuthi if it happens ukuthi you pass on, we ongatake over naye, in as much as angaba namadlozi amphethe, but even nasemsebenzini wakho uyakwazi ukungena. So whatever ikhona esikoleni sakho, whatever mhlambe eyenzakalayo ngawo, unyankwabi uyoba ne full detail ngempilo yakho basically. It's a mini you kahle kahle engathwasanga, you know. So unyankwabi uyo okunakekelayo nanoma mhlambe asithi there are imithi ekumele ukuthi uhambe uyithole nantontoni. It's very much important ukuthi unyankwabi ahlale on your side, naye akwazi ukufunda obtain ulwazi ngemithi nangesigodlo namadlozi akho, because kokunye mhlambe asithi idlozi alikwazi ukufinyelela kuyo due to some spiritual blockages, bayakwazi nanokufinyelela kunyankwabi bamdlulisele imlayezo ukuthi no, njela ukuthi ayenze 1 no 2 no 3 noma khona into ekanje nakanje 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 nakanje, you know. And yeah, that's just my experience ngomndawo, you know, in as much as I also have unyankwabi, she's very much active, you know. So yeah. And I'd like to also maybe touch on amakhosi, the spirit of amakhosi. In most cases, amakhosi they differ. Khona amakhosi amancane, kube khona namakhosi amadala noma amakhosi amakhulu, you know. And in as much as abantu, they can say they have amakhosi spirit, asibi namakhosi alinganayo noma are in the same hierarchy, ayashiyashiyana, in as much as nasemndawini that's also the same instance or the same case, ukuthi kuyashiyashiyana ngegaba zakhona. And abona amakhosi ke, there's actually various ways zokulungisa amakhosi. Kokunye omunye angayihliselwa loyo moya wamakhosi, kufuneke ukuthi athwase amakhosi ngokwedlozi, bese kuba khona komunye oyehliselwa amakhosi but awakhuphuli mhlambe in isithunywa way or isithunywa version, you know. But whenever uhambe ubheke, these two are actually linked kahle kahle, masambisilanela, of which in as much as why amakhosi futhi kakhulu asebenzisa ingwe ezivele kwabantu basebukhosini, and also with umkhuleko man, more than anything, you know. So singasho ukuthi umoya oyingcwele in a way, you know. And with my experience yokuthwasa amakhosi, I actually learned ukuthi kakhulu emakhosini you pray, you know, more than ukuphahla. Yes, ukuphahla, you do that whenever, but kakhulu into ebalekile umkhuleko, in whatever that you do, it may be insebenzo or umsebenzi or whatsoever, qala nje ngomkhuleko, even with the songs that we sing, mhlambe makuzogidelwa amakhosi kungena enkundleni, ngaba ukuthi ingoma futhi ehambe ithinta noNkulunkulu kahle kahle. So it's a mixture or a blend of idlozi and God, you know, but kakhulu isuke ibekwa ngokwedlozi whereby kuba negubhu that come into play and whichever other stuff futhi zedlozi. My journey and the hardships that I've encountered throughout, maybe ngaqala from post in Dwaso and even after. So when I found out about my gift, okay, and as much as Dala bengazi, but when I was just, you know, saying to kula saying funda kabanzi ngithola kabanzi ukuthi okay ngihamba namadlozi anjani, which spirits do I possess, athe ukuthi upon ukulokele uzama ukuyithola spiritually, in a way it opens up a whole yokuthi ube nobunzimanyana uqala ukubhekana nabo, because the minute you try and find out info about wonke lamadlozi and whatnot, uyabalekelela ukuthi asondele la kuwe, and whenever asondela la kuwe ke eza neyinkinga zawo ke and whatever assignments that they have for you, you know, forgetting ukuthi apart from just maybe having to start with your spiritual journey or whatsoever, now you have a life as a particular individual, you know, that part falls off a bit, you know, because certain things start changing about you. So with me, it has been a case of I started isolating myself more often, so I used to lock myself up in my room and just not do much. So I was not social, I was just antisocial, and I'd say ngangena deep in the introverted stage, you know, whereby now with people that you are used to, it becomes hard to interact, you know, nabantu. There's just nothing that comes to mind which maybe you can initiate a convo with them, whether it be about anything, you know. Just isolate yourself to a point whereby people start asking, are you okay, and whatnot. And then also with depression, you know, it kind of kicks in, mostly for spiritual kids, man. Depression yasibulala nje iningi lesikhathi, you know. Now figure yonke lemcabango ukuthi okay, kanti what am I doing wrong? Because ngiyaphahla, ngiyathandaza, I do what's required of me. Yini le ehambe iba stumbling block, you know, in as much as it also messes up your life in general. So I mean, I was still in school that time. I think I was in grade 8 or something, if I'm not mistaken. So at that point also with my academics, they started, you know, going down, and upon going down, my grades were going down. Now depression now with the people that bobatata as abangani, or people that were close to you, bobatata as family, now bobatali bakjidela manje kuba ngathi mhlambe you have some sort of isinyama that's hovering around you, okay, what did I do wrong? If there's anything engiyenze wrong, can at least leyo nto leyo ikwazi ukusiveza ukuze ngizokwazi maybe ukulungisa, so that I can go back to my normal state, you know. And it's something of which mina engasho ukuthi ngeke ngayiphahlisa for the longest of time, and upon nje ukuyiphahlisa ke I didn't get any answer towards that situation, you know. Instead there were a whole lot of things just, you know, happening, whereby I started, you know, falling sick also. Now Leo on its own used to stress me a lot, because being so I used to get super constipated, you know. So but you know, sometimes I get swollen feet or swollen fingers, you know. So I suffered a lot from that, even with studying my books, you know. Now it became a biggest problem, you know, whereby now I'm studying, maybe I'd get a headache, or nje kube nje nento ehambe ingikhathaza ingcindezela ngikhuleke but then nje kufani still kube ngathi there's nothing that I'm doing, you know. And as years went by, ngasho ukuthi the situation was getting worse and worse to a point whereby even with abantu maybe I'd say bengis-associated nabo. Now, we follow off each and every year. I'd say I'd have like a new group of friends or people I call friends. Once maybe that year is over, your friendship it would just vanish into thin air. Or nje sibe nje ne fallout nje engathishu, you know. So lokho nje bangiphushela ukuthi yazi, you know, let me just be alone, you know, whenever futhi mhlambe ngizozama apply for certain things, because I used to be in the media industry also. I used to shoot advert for certain production companies and whatnot. So maybe you go for auditions into bonayo ukuthi yazi le audition it used to become a hassle, you know. Now maybe for certain gigs, there used to be a few problems, you know, that would wanna make me quit, you know. Let me just sit at home maybe because at a different space, you know, and of which why logo was stopped in 2021. Yeah, I think that was the last time we were shoot for a certain insurance company. After I decided I'm just gonna end the NWO with an advert and whatnot. Then that's when I'd say I started focusing more on my spiritual journey. I tried to find myself and get aligned, you know, properly, of which it worked out. And then upon journey, it was just me opening another can of worms also, you know, whereby now even with family, now disputes nakhona kuba ngathi uba black sheep of the family, you know, kuba nje start being blamed for a whole lot of things, man, of which azenzi sense normally they are not linked to you know, as a particular individual. Also it's spiritual attacks nazo excessively so. Then people start name calling me ngamagama nje angasile, you know, obvious mawuzothi uyathwasa noma wenza whatsoever gama elidumileke bazothi you umthakathi or you practice witchcraft, you know. So those are the things nje not just only futhi from family but even in the community, you know. And that set up ukuthi namanje abantu sebaqale distance from wena because bazobona ufaka ubuhlalo noma ufaka intamo kusho time mhlambe uyabagangela and whatnot. Abantu abasathembi even with food basho ukuthi mhlambe wena usithelele umuthi, you know, eklini. So it's things that I've experienced, even stigma around school kuzothiwa high ngoba manje sengiphasa kahle shuthi mina ngisebenzisa imithi ngicindezela abanye abantu, you know, kuba nje a whole lot of things man ezenzakalayo and zona ziba buhlungu honestly speaking. But I'd say ukuthi kuyadingeka ukuthi kwenzakale such because kuyakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuqina and you are able to withstand whatever challenge that comes in your way, because hambe sishiyashiyana. And even after my years singiqedile ke esikolweni ke nalapho it was a case whereby ke now ke I am exposed to the real world, and upon being exposed to that nakhona there's a few challenges that you encounter nasi Zangomeni. There's inkulumo manje ukuthi hayi wena wenza kanjani kungani uphumelela mhlambe ngithwele or whatsoever ngithwebula amandla abantu and whatsoever. So inkulumo man ezinjalo abanye because babona ukuthi uphumelela kahle umuntu azosusa nje inkulumo athi hayi lo akanadlozi and whatsoever, you know. So inkulumo nje ezambe nami nje zingiqinisene as much as yes ziyakuphula as umuntu because I'm human after all. I have feelings like everyone else, but inkulumo ezihambe nje zangiqinisa zangapha ukuthi yazi noma ngabe wenza kahle or wenza kabi, people always talk, they always have something to say, you know. Even with my businesses kuba into yokuthi hayi no mhlambe ubone ukuzibani ukuthi unale business ekanje, that's why naye ayenze whatever le ayenzayo, mhlawumbe ukopa uzibani, not knowing or not remembering ukuthi sonke asiphiwanga ngendlela efanayo. Wena mhlawumbe ungaqala ibhizinisi yakho ingaphumeleli, mina mangiqala ke maybe ifana neyakho kube into ephumelelayo, you know. And even with patience also, umuntu azothi hayo kanjani lo uthwasa izolo kodwa uzothola iguli, so kuba nje into enjalo ukuthi hayi kanjani lo azosebenza thina kudala sikhona in this field bekumele ngabe yithi siba nje nabantu abafikayo imithi oyazi kanjani don't forgetting ukuthi even with ukufunda naleyo mithi noma ukuyazi naleyo mithi leyo, we have a spirit called amagedla. They come into play nabo bakufundise impande zambiselana nabo noma amadloso akho, you know. So asifanani singabantu, hence we are not gifted the same. Okay, so in terms of indumba, the challenges in Begana Nazo, number one, I'll start with difficult patients, you know, whereby you get umundu azothi ufuna uzo consult kwena, and upon ukufika ke endumbeni kubake kumthetho wakho uhlolo upon ukuhlola mhlawumbe umuntu azothi kuwena hayi lento eyikhulumayo akayazi, you know, because I've had a patient okanjalo, I think it was sometime last year, whereby he came to consult, sharp angena endumbeni, sihlole simhlole, no, there's 1 2 3 4 and 5 going on, you know, empilweni yakhe, he's got a gift and whatnot. Athi no yena akakwazi lokho engikhuluma ngakho, uyaqala ukuzwa konke. Hawu, okay, now I question ingilosi yami ukuthi okay manje if uzongitshela into ezikanje and lo muntu uthi akazazi kwenzakalani, kushuthi namhlanje ukhuluma amanga nomxoxa amanga nje, you know. So hayi man, bathe ngithi futhi kayi ngiyabheka ke jula ke momoya ke I still kuvela, you know, same things, and nanoma kuvela ke ezinye indaba, they still in line with whatever le ebengishilo from manqala. So lo bhuti azicha akazi next, eventually uchogo amathe cela amanzi, ngimlandela kamanzi, mangibuya nawo nje ngomnika hlala phansi waphuza, makaceda nje kwaphuza athi kimi hayi no yonke into engiyikhulumile uyayazi. Did I not get so furious, guys? To a point where ngavela ngamtshela straight ngathi hayi wena nje uzile nje ukuzongilinga la, ayikho into eboyizela, you know. And then from lapho he started asking me, okay, since now sesihlolile moving forward yini mhlambe singakwenza ukuthi alungise impilo yakhe. From lapho I was like no, yazi ngizokutshela mina okwamanje nje sizohlola namhlanje. And he was like no, mkhulu angeke mhlambe unginikeze ukuthile ukuthi ngisebenzise endini. I was like abantu bakini bathi ngiyakunikeza ulutho ngizokutshela. From that day nje angiphindanga, even nanoma alokela amfonela angithumela ama WhatsApp text, I told myself always I do not want anything to do with this patient anymore. It's fine, he can just go anywhere. Even nasendumbeni ngabajela abantu abadala ukuthi guys lo ngenzonilethela abantu abazolokele nje bangilinga nje njalo, in as much as I know ukuthi le ndlela vele nje igcwele ilingo, ngazulingo nje nawo makhelwane or someone that's close to you, you know. So kwaba ile nto leyo, and moving right along futhi you get patients abazokufuna ladies abazongena ke endumbeni umuntu eze vele ngokuzohlola hlole upon ukuhlola yabona nje ukuthi umuntu nje uyayiphuphela nje iyadaydream nje leyo muntu envisions wena naye nini somewhere nje kubhizi, you know. Lapho ke umuntu masothula ukuthi gogo uyakwazi lokho engikhuluma ngakho, khani seyazisnap out of lelo dream like bekaba nayo at that point in time, you know. Or abanye uyamhlola umhlola umuntu bese ke mhlambe uzokushela ke uzokubuza ukuthi hayi mkhulu kodwa unayo umuntu kodwa or whatsoever, you know. So it's such challenges that I come across man endumbeni, you know. Nanoma nje uzama ukupreserve that doctor and patient relationship. Patient nje zame ukhosa i-boundary nje that's put in place, you know. Afuna nje ukungenelela in your personal life, forgetting ukuthi uze la kule khaya hlala kulo noma kule sigodlo sakho to get help. Azange wathi wena mhlambe you are seeking a girlfriend or a wife. If bowufuna kanjalo you would have went out, you know. But then now ngeke ama patient kuba yiwo as avelayo, you know. And also another thing with me also having to attend imigidi and vlog imigidi, I encounter such things also, whereby since my numbers are all over on social media, I get ama WhatsApp text nama DMs bangishela Nkosi yami ukuthi hayi ngikhule yazi ngibukele ama vlog wakho, I'm obsessed ngawe, hey ngiyakuthanda inini. I was hoping that we can build something meaningful, you know. Lapho nje wena you are not there. You know, you're just pushing content, you know, so that people can watch, you know, and just also having fun as yourself, you know, apart from just being a traditional healer or a spiritual healer, you know. So man, there's just a whole lot of things man ezenzakalayo. Abanye ke baze ba reach a depth of ukuthi baze ba stalk, you know, bazamthola info about your personal life, ukuthi what's going on empilweni yakho, who are you dating or whatsoever, you know. Umuntu abuye sekabuya ne-information wabanye baxoxe ngawe le phandle ukuthi hayi hey uNhlakanipho ngiyamazi kanje lapho umuntu akakwazi nanokwazi, you know, but uzokhuluma ngathi mhlawumbe uhlala hleli nawe or you guys are so super close. So it's just a whole lot of things. And with patients abanye ke uthola ukuthi umuntu uzomnikeza ke umuthi ukuthi ahamba usebenzisa. There are some patients abathatha leyo mithi maybe buy somewhere else with inhliziyo ezingasisihle ngento yokuthi mhlawumbe uzobe afuna ukugangela or ini aye komunye umelaphi ke ukuthi bahlanganisa whatever mpande bahlanganisa ukuthi into zakho mhlambe zijike noma kuvaleke umsebenzi, you know. So kuningi man, Ndumba life has a whole lot of challenges. Omunye mhlambe ezi endumbeni azi ukuthi kune spoke maybe asitetile lapho uzake ngenhloso yokuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuzoshiya lapho endumbeni yakho ukuthi sibhekane nawo, or sometimes mhlawumbe umuntu abantu akazi apho wena ke mawuhlola ke kumtsho ukuthi no kunento kanje nakanje. The minute lo muntu asukuma ke aphuma ke egcekeni masuqedile ke ukumsiza with whatever kumsiza ngayo, leso spoke siyakwazi ukusala. And I've also had a similar case in 2023. Yeah, I think I was in matric, whereby now this patient came, I think it was around June, as well, until there's so and so going on, sharp, slowly straight. Just after nje ukuhlola umsebenzi waqala ukufanele kwaphela an entire week ngangeni umuntu endumbeni. I didn't pay much attention to it. Why I started falling sick, you know, umzimba nje vele waqala ukuba buhlungu kuba ngathi uba numb. Ngaya esibhedlela, they checked me out and they were like, no, I won't next, but they just gave me ama antibiotic and other medicine. Ngabuyela endlini later on that evening, ngavele ke ngaqala ngavale kumoya, ngabuyela futhi esibhedlela mase ngibuyela ukuthi hayi hey asthma yakho iqale phansi nantontoni. And then I consulted back with my Gobela ngisho no, there's so and so going on. And then upon checking washo no kunomuntu oyeweza kanje lo muntu lento ebekayidedile isele lapho, you know. And it made much more sense because just after him telling me that, I started uyiphupa yona lento, you know. And then from lapho I got a solution from him to know this is what you need to do, you know. And I did just that. Maybe it took 2 or 3 days after ngaba right ngathi angikazi nje ngagula, you know. So yeah, Ndumba life is just a lot on its own. Sometimes nje umuntu kafise nje ukuthi yazi maybe if bekhonakala nje ivale nje Ndumba uyeke konke Nkosi yami, just focus on just being unhlakanipho, you know, live my own life to the fullest without having to stress about iy'nkinga zabantu. In as much as nginezami self kumele ngistress ngey'nkinga zama-patient ukuthi khona umuntu ozile kanje akatholi umsebenzi, or khona umuntu ozile kanje uyagula. I need to find alternative solutions angazisebenzisa ukuze akwazi ukulapheka and achieve whatever le afuna ukuyi-achieve, you know. So yeah, that's just about it, about ilona iNdumba Life.
Amathunzi ezihlahla